All right, my Instagrammers, I got in a huge dilemma. What happened was the fan cut into the radiator and the radiator gave out. I'm in North Carolina. I could use a SI radiator, or someone could just come down and lend me some of your tools, bring a blade, and I'll try to get this going to go to the next AutoZone and wait till the morning. But yeah, I'm in North Carolina in Enfield, I believe. Who's up and who's willing to help out? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna tell you why that works for me, Jerry. I only have like a 1 to 2 hour sleep since yesterday. That's all I got, because the car broke down, the radiator took a shit. Not that I'm blaming you, but what I'm saying is,
So what happened?
the radiator took a shit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. It took a shit.
Holy shit.
So it was, what happened was the AC condenser 12 millimeter bolt backed out, right? So I tell my wife, hon, do me a favor, reverse the car. Mind you, the motor now is gonna swing forward. It ain't gonna swing back. So the 12 millimeter poked a hole in the radiator.
Son of a bitch.
Tell me about it.
My fault.
That wasn't your fault.
That's why you opened up. No, I'm not blaming you.
No. But I got a radiator, so I'm gonna put that on today.
That sucks.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the radiator on today. So I figured if you could put me later and call.
Yo, buddy, so how you feel about your built motor finally coming down from Florida?
Bro. It's a day come true, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is that all his old stuff?
So the old shit.
What's that new you shit?
There goes the motor, guys.
This car's fucking never been used.
And they took out all his batteries. Damn, dude! You see how big it is?
Oh my god.
Let's see that, bro.
I gave you the size for that thing, right? Because you had actually, right?
65, 64, 65. Yeah. Ooh. That's big boy power right there. That's that big boy power right there. Oh god, bro.
Hey, remember that? We're gonna fix the radiator now on the CRZ and do a K-series tranny repair. As some of you may know, we broke down on the way to New York. So. Dirty already, bro. You're already done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, it's cold in here. He has the sprinkles. Bro, it's cold. Straight? Make a right on the highway. He's got all his stuff right here from his long trip. Pretty roomy car, considering it's a 2-door. Stock exhaust, guys. Heater, AC working. Oh, you got your miles per hour working now?
Oh yeah.
Miles per hour is working now. K20 shifter box. Air fuel gauge. RHD low.
About to fix that.
We're gonna fix that.
Alright, so what do we do? We blow the horn? Spark? Yeah?
I don't know what he has inside.
What's health insurance built around me?
That comes in AutoZone?
No, this is brand new, this one.
Yeah?
Gotta meet my expectations. Either that counts. There's nothing more personal than your health. That's why MVP Healthcare provides health insurance.
This is for a commercial account, correct?
Yes.
So they don't really get discounts, do they?
And look at that price. In Walmart, you could get that for like $25.
My whole thing is that the price?
That's what it came up as, on the commercial.
Yeah, that'd be the total.
Yeah?
You're better off just getting the cheaper one.
Is
That's crazy.
67 for the list.
Do you have like regular 1030 full synthetic?
Regular 1030.
I think this one has it.
Multiple will cost more than
Thanks
that.
for pulling over.
Alright, so just give me this. Let's get out of here.
Bro, that's crazy.
It is.
Hold on.
Yes, 1030.
It's $26.99 right here, yo.
Is that synthetic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could take that better. A lot cheaper.
So it's right here. $26.99 Edge.
Yeah, that's good. That'll work for me. So let me get one of these in 1030.
Bro, at Walmart, you know how much I paid for that?
yeah.
Thing was like real extra turbocharge.
This is the fluid titanium technology. This is the one with the special viscosity.
No, this one is.
No. Well, yeah. This
Oh
got-
wow, that's.
Oh,
why.
look at that. The modern turbocharge. This is the application for that. All right, so what's my total? Oh, don't forget this.
Yeah, if I'm just doing the
Oh,
invoice or
return. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put that with
That gun's mad quiet.
Yo, Mo, you need a longer screw.
Holy mackerel.
loosen your hat. Nah, it's not coming out, but it's already hitting the sub. Hold on. What's it called in? What was it called in? The rainbow. The one from the top?
Oh wow, it has an action clutch.
Yeah.
Fire. What stage clutch is that?
I think it's Iron Man.
Iron Man?
Yeah. Look through here. Where do we want to put this?
Iron Man clutch. And he's out. You guys.
Can we open it on the floor?
How long it took you to drop that?
box?
About 40 minutes?
38 minutes.
38 minutes.
Because all the rusty bolts.
Some of the rusty bolts.
Oh, not on top of this. Booyah!
Pass me a flathead. Oh, you did not get that.
What?
The air. No, don't push that. Don't push that.
You know, was that the fucking Honda bond that people keep putting on this shit? Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Okay? Not like that, bro. It's a big flat in front of it. That cord? No, right here.
What's going on? Right hand drive mode? You want this one?
Oh, where the fuck is my heavy hammer at?
This one?
This one's heavy too? No, it's right in the back.
He got it. Better put Angel shit back because Angel don't fuck around, bro.
I don't know where you're touching.
I'll
this
put
shit
it back.
again. Who's Angel?
If you put his shit back, you don't have a problem with it. It's when niggas don't put it back. There's a pin in there that's giving him a little bit of a problem.
No, the pin is on wrong.
The pin is installed incorrect.
What I want to know is how would that possibly pass that?
Defibrillator.
Because you can't close the tranny if this is on wrong anyway.
So I was able to get really lucky, and my boy over here at Elite Auto Works had an extra outer casing where I was able to pull this pin out of there. So again, this is where it locks in, and this is how you unlock the gears from coming out. So here it is. This is what broke on the other tranny. So here is the after and the before. But I don't know what I'm doing with this shit, but I got it out. Bueno, mi gente, aquí tenemos una novela. And the struggles taking this thing apart.
You understand?
I put it
Crazy.
on right.
No, I know you put
Crazy.
it on right, but what I'm saying is...
Crazy. Sheesh. But we got it off. And let's see what happens.
See, there's nothing wrong with the synchro whatsoever. Nothing wrong with it.
So why would it be popping off? Maybe that piece that was messed up?
I think it was that, being that was fucked up, that's why it was popping out, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's about the only thing I can really say what happened there.
On what?
It's like an 8.
Oh no, that's a weird ass fucking thing. I put 2 ratchets backwards. I swear to God, bro. I was stuck in a situation. I had no other choice, man.
So this is a 5th and 6th lighter, and over here on the edges they feel very rough. I want you guys to try to show you this. Do you see those walls on this back end over here? See how they come up? Let me show you the other side. It's a difference there if you see it, so sorry for the recording, but you should be able to see it. Yeah, you look big in that car. You're about to do your first oil change in the Honda CRZ, the most infamous, world known. Open that. Show these people. Whoosh. Yeah, I think he left the oil.
Now, Brendan, can you tell the public, the world, how did I fix that radiator, please?
2 eggs and Honda bomb.
So yeah, thanks to this guy right here, Brandon. He hooked me up so I can get back home. Now, you know what's crazy? What time is it? It's about, what time is it? 9:45. We're gonna do alignment here at 9:45. Who does that? Brandon.
Closes at 5.